Hi, my name is Jess Rose, and I'm an E-RYT 500, a prenatal yoga teacher, and a soon-to-be mom. I created this series of videos to be a full spectrum pregnancy kit, which is something that I've needed throughout my pregnancy. It's a mix of yoga, breathwork, meditation, part birth course, and then part practical tips and practices to help you throughout every single moment of your pregnancy. There are 4 overarching themes to this series to help you focus in on whatever you need at any given moment in your pregnancy. Targeted focus practices, pelvic alignment, morning sickness, better sleep, and pains and discomfort. Preparation for a beautiful birth. With classes that focus on topics like building stamina for your birthing time, accepting support outside yourself, and learning to release and relax the pelvic floor for a more easeful delivery. Relaxed and stress-free for baby. Stress during pregnancy affects your baby in a multitude of ways. These classes help de-stress and unwind so that your baby has the opportunity to grow and flourish in a calm, relaxed environment. General flows for any time. These classes can be done at any time during your pregnancy and cover a wide range of poses for different energy levels on different days. May you feel happy, healthy, and whole as you prepare for this life-enriching experience. Namaste.